In this video, we will show you how to rename device on Windows 11. To rename your device on Windows 11, first you can just open File Explorer. Then you can right-click on the computer name. Then in here, select Properties. After you open your properties, in here, you will have Rename this PC button. Just click this. You can see your current device with this name, desktop-94mp3gm. For example, in here, I type or rename to where data. After that, we can click next. Then, when you want the change to affect it, just click restart now. But you can also do restart later if you don't want to as soon as your device change the name. And that's all tutorial how to rename your device on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.